Why do some animation videos go crazy viral while others flop? I just found the easiest way to create those why it sucks to be born as animations using AI. No crazy skills needed. But here's the catch. It's not all perfect. Let me show you why.
Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into the life of one of the most beloved pets on the planet, the house cat. But wait, before you say, cats have it easy, they just nap and eat all day, think again. Being born as a house cat isn't all sunshine and tuna. In fact, it comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities that would make even the most independent among us think twice. So let's explore why it sucks to be born as a house cat and uncover the hidden struggles behind those adorable whiskers. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the cat on the couch. Yes, house cats spend a lot of time lounging around, but that's not because they're lazy, it's because they're efficient. In the wild, cats are predators, and conserving energy is key to survival. But here's the catch. Even though house cats don't need to hunt for their food, their instincts are still hardwired for it.
This YouTube channel has uploaded only 5 videos, yet it has gained over 300,000 subscribers. One of their videos has reached more than 5 million views. In just 8 months, every video on their channel has surpassed 1 million views. His channel is getting a lot of views because its niche has a high barrier to entry. Creating this type of content requires experience in 2D animation, which many of you may not have. That's why, in this video, we'll explore how to use AI to our advantage and create a 2D animation video similar to this channel. I have uploaded a list of prompts I'll be using for this video on the Learnify AI prompt website. You can find the link in the comments and the About section below. It took me a lot of time and sleepless nights to figure out how to make this video, so I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Your support will motivate me to keep creating more videos like this for you. The first step in creating a viral video is generating your script using AI. I've already created a prompt to find the best titles from our competitors. So, copy prompt number 1 and paste it into DeepSeek. Today, we'll test this free AI tool, a new alternative to ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, I hit enter. DeepSeek then asks for data to generate titles. I select the necessary text by dragging my mouse, copy it and paste it into DeepSeek before hitting enter. DeepSeek has now provided 50 title options. Next, copy prompt number 2. This time I ask, are you human? Give me even better titles. Since we want to target this niche more effectively, I hit enter. The tool then generates even stronger title options. I choose the best one, and we proceed with it. When generating your script, always refer to the prompt. For example, if the video is about why it sucks to be born as a cat, but you want to make a similar video about elephants, simply replace cat with elephant in the prompt. This method allows you to create different versions of the same concept easily. Next, you can also adjust the duration of your script. For example, in this video, I'll be asking AI to generate a 5-minute script. However, you can change this to 8, 10, or even 20 minutes based on your preference. Keep in mind that videos in this niche typically range from 3 to 8 minutes. Once you've made these small adjustments, click Generate. We'll then create a well-structured script with an engaging hook to keep viewers watching until the end. This can significantly improve your channel's engagement. After the script is generated, copy the entire text and save it somewhere safe. I personally use Google Docs, so I'll paste it there. Now, the next step is to generate a prompt that we'll use to create our visuals. This part is actually very simple because I've already prepared a ready-to-use prompt for you on the Learnify AI website. Now, go back to the prompt section. I've included specific details to ensure consistency in the character and environment. For example, I want the cat to look the same across all visuals. Also, be sure to include details about the first section of the script, which is the introduction. This section lasts for 30 seconds, and each visual should run for about 5 seconds. Since most AI video generators create 5-second clips, this step is important for smooth storytelling. Now, copy prompt var 4 and head back to ChatGPT. Before clicking, open the Google Docs file where you saved your script. Copy the introduction title along with its duration, then paste it into ChatGPT. Finally, copy the entire script, return to ChatGPT, and paste it below the prompt. Now, you're ready to click Generate. ChatGPT will analyze the script and generate a prompt that helps create visuals in the specific style we want. Microsoft Paint-style illustrations. If you're not satisfied with the number of prompts DeepSeek generates, you can always ask it for more. Once you're happy with the results, copy and save these image prompts in Google Docs. Next, copy the prompt again and edit the next section's title and duration. If the next narration is 1 minute long instead of 30 seconds, update the duration from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Also, adjust the number of images. If the first section needed 6 images, change it to 12 for the longer section. Then paste the entire script into ChatGPT and hit enter. Now, we have all the prompts needed to generate our images. Copy and paste all prompts into Google Docs for easy access. Next, log into Piclument. The first step is to go back to Google Docs, copy your first prompt, and paste it into the field labeled Describe Your Image. Before generating your image, there are a few settings you need to adjust. First, we need to change the model. Click on the model selection and choose Flux 1. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 16.9, landscape, since this is the standard frame size for YouTube long-form content. Now, click on Batch Image Count. Since we're using the free version, we can generate only 2 images at a time. Select that option and click Generate. Give the AI a moment to process your request. Once the images are generated, you should get something that perfectly matches the style we're looking for. Now, repeat this process for the remaining images. Go back to Google Docs, copy the next prompt, paste it into Piclument, and click Generate. Repeat these steps for each image needed. As you can see, the images look amazing. This is how I created all the visuals we'll be using in this project. This process is very simple. Once you're done, click on the download icon to save all the images to your device. Now we can move on to the next step, converting these images into animations. This is the most important part of the process, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. To turn your images into animations, we'll use LumaLabs because it's user-friendly. However, you can also try Kling AI, Hilo AI, or other similar tools. If you don't have an account, simply sign up, and you'll be directed to the homepage. To generate an animation, start by uploading an image. Click here to select one of the images you generated earlier. For the description, you don't need to write a new prompt. Instead, go back to Google Docs, copy the same prompt you used to generate the image and paste it here. Now click on Create and let the tool do its work. You can see how smooth this animation looks. It's perfect for our project. To save time and keep this video engaging, I've already gone ahead and created all the animations we'll need. As you can see, they look professional and high quality. You first need to upscale them to 2x to improve their quality. To do this, go to online CapCut, upload your video, and click on the upscale button. Give the AI some time to process the video. Once it's done, you'll get a 2x upscaled version, which will look much sharper. For those who want to compare the difference, I'll display both the original and the upscaled versions side by side, so you can see the improvement. Once you've upscaled all your clips, click Download to save them to your device. I've also added a link to online CapCut in the video description below. Now, let's move on to creating the voiceover. We'll also use online CapCut for this step. In the Magic Tools section, go to the Audio section and click on Text to Speech. Copy your script and paste it into the voice script box. Then, choose a voiceover artist from the library. Listen to different voices and select the one that best fits your style. Click Generate, and within seconds, the AI will create the voiceover. I found that CapCut generates voiceovers really fast, making this process super efficient. Once the voiceover is ready, click Download to save the file. Now, let's move on to the final step, editing the video. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut and click on Import videos, images, and voiceovers into CapCut. After that, add the voiceovers and videos to the timeline. For this video, I think it's best to keep the natural pauses to make the narration flow smoothly. Make sure you listen to the voiceover, so you can properly sync your clips with the narration. The next step to make the video more engaging and entertaining is adding transitions between the clips. Click on the transition icon and browse through the available options to choose the ones that best fit your style. I personally avoid using transitions that are too distracting, so for this tutorial, I will use a mix of pull-in to and whoosh transitions. To save time, I click on the Apply to All button to apply these transitions across all clips. After that, we need to enhance the visuals by adding filters to make the video more colorful and appealing to viewers. Click on Filters and select Clear and 4K. Drag both filters into the timeline and extend them to cover the entire video. Before exporting, you can review the video to make sure everything looks good. You may notice that I didn't add subtitles or background music. That's because I'm closely following the style of the channel I'm modeling. Now, let's move on to one of the most important parts, creating an eye-catching thumbnail. Go to prompt number 5 and make sure to replace animal with cat, or whichever animal your video is about. To generate the thumbnail, copy prompt number 5 and open Piclument. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Once the image is ready, download it. Now, open Canva and select YouTube thumbnail as your template. Click on Uploads and import the image you just generated. Drag it onto the canvas and increase its size to fit properly. Next, click on Remove Background because we only need the image of the cat, not the text or other elements. Now the thumbnail is looking great and is ready for further customization. The next step is to add elements to make the thumbnail more eye-catching. Click on Elements and select an arrow. Drag it into the timeline and position it accordingly. Now, let's add text. Click on Text and then add a heading. Type Lives Like, increase the size slightly, and select italics to make it stand out. Click Add a Heading again and type the next word needed for the title. To make the text more visually appealing, highlight it and change the font. Select the font called Chewy for a bold and engaging look. Once you're done, your thumbnail should look like this. Now click on Share, then Download, and save the final thumbnail to your device. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might be interested in discovering hidden YouTube automation niches. All relevant links, including prompts and resources, are provided in the description below. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment with your feedback. During my analysis of Learnify AI, I noticed that 86.7% of viewers haven't subscribed yet. If you found value in this video, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future content. Your support helps the channel grow and motivates us to keep creating informative and engaging videos just for you. If you're curious about Faceless channel ideas that made me $533K in 3 months, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to explore how I made in Faceless channel new hidden ideas that made me $123K in 5 months, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.